Embarking on a college journey doesn't only broaden your academic horizon, but also presents a valuable opportunity to monetize your musical and performance talents. By strategically utilizing these skills, students can achieve financial benefits that aid in managing college expenses and cultivating a professional portfolio. In the upcoming content, detailed tips will guide on effectively tapping into various avenues such as teaching, live performances, and digital content creation, which not only enhance their financial standing, but also emphatically expand their reach and reputation in the entertainment sphere. College students with a knack for music have the unique opportunity to monetize their skills by offering lessons or tutoring in instruments and vocal training. It begins with setting competitive rates that reflect the quality of teaching, yet remain affordable to peers. Identifying and reaching potential students is crucial, leveraging networks within and outside the college. Utilizing online platforms, social media, and college bulletin boards for promotion enhances visibility and attracts a diverse student base. Engaging in teaching not only fosters skill development, but also establishes a stream of income that can be significant over time. For musically inclined college students, live performances offer a lucrative avenue. Opportunities abound in local gigs, college events, and even private parties. To leverage these, understanding the booking process is key. Initiating contact with event organizers and demonstrating your talent through demos or past performance videos can increase booking chances. Negotiating fees effectively ensures fair compensation, underscoring the importance of knowing the value you bring to an event. Additionally, balancing these performance commitments with academic responsibilities requires careful scheduling and time management, ensuring that neither your studies nor performance opportunities suffer as a result of poor planning. In the digital age, an impactful online presence is crucial for college musicians and performers. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok not only facilitate the showcasing of talents, but also open up myriad avenues for monetization. By generating engaging content that resonates with audiences, artists can attract advertisements, secure sponsorship deals, and encourage fan donations. Each platform offers unique tools for audience engagement and growth, essential for expanding a fan base. Strategically leveraging these platforms allows performers to not only earn financially, but also establish a robust digital footprint that can catalyze career opportunities beyond college. For college musicians and performers, merchandising and brand partnerships present significant financial opportunities. Selling branded merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, or even digital products can turn a fan base into a revenue stream. Creating appealing merchandise involves understanding what resonates with your audience and presenting it in a quality yet affordable manner. Securing brand deals requires building a compelling portfolio that showcases your marketability to potential partners. Approaching music-related brands with a clear and professional proposal can lead to lucrative partnerships, enhancing both financial gains and market presence.